So hello everyone, my name is Aman and you're watching Noble Classes YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna discuss about class 7 English book section 2 and the chapter name is the Sark attack. So especially what happened in this chapter I'm gonna discuss and I'll try to make you understand what is in the story. And here this video is divided into two parts, or especially you can say that divided into two sections. One is to make you understand the story, and the next one is, and that is section B, to make you understand some of the important words, or you can say that some of the hard words, and I'm going to explain you in Hindi what is the meaning of those words. So here if I'm going to start now, so here you can say this story is all about two person, and one is Prem and one is Prerna. You can simply say that they both were newly married couple, and in the case of the newly married couple, what is happening, they want to enjoy a lot. So do you know what happened after that? Next you can say here they went to Andaman and Nicobar Islands so that they can enjoy a lot. Especially they went to a beach, and there they were swimming here and there and enjoying a lot. They were also splashing the water on each other. And then after, that whenever we are going to the beach, and then after what happens after next, so that a lot of people, whenever they went to beach, and then after they started enjoying a lot and they swim, and instead of that they were splashing water on each other, or just walking onto the beach. These are some of the things which you can say in the case of whenever anyone is going to the beach. So these are some of the things they were doing. Especially they were new married couples, so that is why you can say that in the case of them they were enjoying a lot. And here the next thing is that suddenly when they were enjoying, do you know what happened after next? They were flabbergasted when they saw a shark. Especially you can say that Prem was far away from her, especially far away from Prerna, and suddenly Prerna saw a shark. It was really very huge shark, you can say that, or very massive. You can able to get the chapter, in the chapter there is massive written, and massive you can say that a huge shark they saw. And especially first of all Prerna saw it, and then after she started getting away from it. And here you are getting to know Prem was also swimming during that time when Prerna saw the shark. But here the next thing, do you know what happened? Here the thing is that you can say the shark starts biting on the hand of the Prem, and then after Prem tries to suppress the pain, but there is no effect on him. You can say that that shark was really very huge, how he can able to suppress the pain. But then also you can say that he wanna save his wife, because that whenever there is love between someone, then if you are in danger also then you wanna save your partner, or you can say that your companion. You don't wanna save yourself, either your life will be gone, then also you'll save your partner. Then Prerna shocked by seeing these things happening, and her husband, you can say that he started sinking down into the water. You can say that the shark he was taking him to the bottom of the water so that he might eat him. And also you can say that one of the thing is that he wanna especially in the case of the shark, you can say that he wanna break the hand of the Prem, and after that he can able to eat him properly. And here in the case of the Prem, you can able to say that Prem don't wanna breathe now, especially inside the water. He thought that if he'll breathe a lot, then it might happen that he can take the water inside his mouth, and then after whenever the water starts getting into our mouth, what is gonna happen? He might die. Simply this is the thing what was happening during that time. So Prem thought and said to himself that if I'll go on the surface now, then only I'll take the breathe. So this is all about the story, you can say, and I'll upload the next part soon. So students, I want to say one thing to you, and that is the thing, you must revise the chapter, you must read out the chapter. And now I'm gonna explain you some of the word meaning, some of the hard words to you. So here the first word is incident. You can able to see INCIDENT, incident. Incident का मतलब होता है घटना. Next one is stay, STAY, stay यानी रहना. After that BAY, bay, खारी. After that splashed, SPLASHED splashed यानी छिड़काव. सोजॉर्न SOJOURN सोजॉर्न यानी डेरा डालना, और यू कैन से दैट टेम्पररी स्टे. वेन WANE वेन यानी क्षीण होना. मर्की MURKY मर्की यानी फीका. इवेड EVADE इवेड यानी बचना. कंपेनियन COMPANION कंपेनियन यानी साथी. मैसिव MASSIVE मैसिव यानी बहुत बड़ा, ह्यूज. फ्लैबरगैस्टेड FLABBERGASTED फ्लैबरगैस्टेड यानी स्तंभित, और यू कैन से दैट शॉक यानी चौंक जाना. सप्रेस SUPPRESS सप्रेस यानी दबाना. डिसअपियर DISAPPEAR डिसअपियर यानी गायब. बॉटम BOTTOM बॉटम यानी नीचे. एफिशिएंट EFFICIENT एफिशिएंट यानी कुशल. प्रे PREY प्रे यानी शिकार. सीवर ACVER सीवर यानी तोड़ना. सेंसेस SENSES सेंसेस यानी होश. क्लैंप जोर से पकड़ना CLAMP क्लैंप. So student, this is all about the chapter. So whatever the word meanings I gave you here, you must note it down into your notebook and try to revise all those words so that you can understand the story in a better way, and you can also revise the story by yourself. So this is all about today. I hope you will study well. Thank you all.